universal healthcare is more beneficial than a healthcare system without universal healthcare. In persuading my audience that universal healthcare is better than no universal healthcare, I will discuss how it improves access to care, reduces financial hardship, and creates healthier communities. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night, struggling to breathe, yet deciding not to go to the hospital because you are afraid of receiving a medical bill you cannot afford. Unfortunately, for many people without health insurance, this situation is a reality. Every day, individuals delay treatment because healthcare costs are too expensive. No individual should have to choose between protecting their health or protecting their finances. Yet, for many Americans, healthcare costs can determine whether they seek treatment or continue to suffer without help. Today, I will persuade you that universal healthcare provides greater benefit not only to individuals but to society as a whole compared to a system without universal healthcare. Through my own research on healthcare systems and their outcomes, I found that universal healthcare improves access to medical treatment, reduces financial hardship, and creates healthier communities. Today, in persuading my audience that universal healthcare is better than no universal healthcare, I will discuss access to healthcare, financial benefits, and improvements in public health. First, universal healthcare provides greater access to medical treatment than healthcare systems without. According to World Health Organization in the 2023 article titled Universal Health Coverage, universal healthcare means that all people have access to the full range of quality health services that they need without financial hardship. This includes preventative care, emergency services, treatment for chronic illness, and mental health. Preventative care is important because it allows healthcare providers to identify illnesses early. Preventative services such as annual checkups and early screenings may allow health treatments to begin sooner, helping to improve health outcomes. In addition, people with healthcare coverage are more likely to seek medical attention. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation in the 2023 article titled Key Facts About the Uninsured Population, uninsured individuals are more likely to delay or avoid medical care because of concerns about cost. Unfortunately, many people wait until their symptoms become unbearable before seeking help. By then, their illness may be much more severe and expensive to treat. No person should ever have to risk their life because they cannot afford health care. Universal healthcare allows individuals to receive treatment earlier. Earlier treatment improves health outcomes and can also save lives. Now that I have discussed how universal healthcare improves access to medical treatment, I will explain how it reduces financial hardship compared to healthcare systems without universal healthcare. Second, universal healthcare reduces financial burdens for individuals and families. According to Takian and Abram in their 2020 article titled U.S. Healthcare from a Global Perspective, Higher Spending, Worse Outcomes, countries with universal healthcare systems often provide better healthcare access while spending less money overall compared to the United States. One major advantage of universal healthcare is that it reduces overwhelming out-of-pocket costs. Therefore, individuals are less likely to experience financial hardship caused by medical treatments. Lower healthcare costs reduces financial stress. Financial stress negatively affects both physical and mental health. Constantly worrying about medical debt can increase anxiety and depression. When individuals are not burdened by healthcare costs, they are able to focus on recovery work and supporting their families. According to Woolander and Himmelston in their 2020 article titled Annals of Internal Medicine, medical expenses continue to create serious financial hardship for many. Many individuals are forced to choose between paying for medical care or paying for rent. Healthcare should never place anyone into such a difficult decision. Additionally, according to Papanikolaou Woski and John in their 2018 article titled Healthcare Spending in the United States and Other High-Income Countries with universal healthcare systems often achieve better healthcare access while spending less money per person compared to the United States. This demonstrates that universal healthcare may improve healthcare access while also reducing overall healthcare spending. In addition to reducing financial stress, universal healthcare also creates healthier and stronger communities. Lastly, universal healthcare improves overall public health and strengthens society. According to the World Health Organization, the 2025 article titled Universal Health Coverage, universal healthcare promotes healthier populations through prevention and early intervention. When healthcare is accessible and affordable, more people are able to get early treatment, which can reduce the spread of diseases and improve management of long-term conditions. Communities with limited healthcare access frequently experience higher rates of untreated illness. According to Brandon G. and Vader M. in the 2017 article titled Healthcare Spending, Plenty of Blame to Go Around, increasing access to healthcare services and preventative care can improve overall health outcomes and reduce avoidable medical complications. Healthier individuals are often more productive in school and in the workplace because they are physically and mentally able to perform daily activities more effectively. So far today, my purpose has been to persuade you that universal healthcare is more beneficial than healthcare systems without universal healthcare. In doing so, I discussed how universal healthcare improves access to medical care, reduces financial hardship, and strengthens public health. Healthcare should not be viewed as a privilege available only to those who can afford it. Every individual deserves access to medical treatment without fear of financial ruin. Universal healthcare not only allows people to live longer and healthier lives, but it also creates stronger communities and a healthier society for the future generations to come. Thank you.